Ever since I was 16, I wish that spring would come to me, and I wish that I could dance upon the aisles. Sweat rivers on a stage of steam, I let my thoughts begin a dream. I held my breath and ran into the wild. And each night a horizon grew, and all of us saw just a few, till morning's gold would make it disappear. Yet somewhere in my treasured chest is not forgot what must forget, but that's a feeling for another year. And movement has a way like words, you're there before the rhyme is heard, and all that one can do is shape the ride. The miles of a forgotten dream of yours, my love, it's where we've been, and maybe one day soon we will arrive. Playing all night loud, playing all night loud, sing it all night with me, all night loud. And we went on a whirlwind trip, the nights unwound, the records flipped, and stillness came like chaos in the lights. And voices like devotion flew across the sea from me to you, in music that I still cannot describe. And there are ugly times, it's true, some from me and some from you, and devils have a way of digging down. But a friend is not a friend for life unless your life is worth the strife. So hold on, we'll be alright. Playing all night loud, playing all night loud, sing it all night with me, all night loud. There's a speech that I know well, was told by Henry V. I'll tell a version that relates to us, not war. He who sheds his sweat with me will be my friend eternally, from this day to the ending of the world. No matter if we're young or old, or in the sun or in the cold, I hope I can remember your bright eyes. 'Cause I know you and you know me, at least somehow mysteriously. So thank you, my dear friends, and that's good night. I'm much obliged, I'm much obliged. So thank you, my dear friends, and that's good night. I'm much obliged, I'm much obliged. So thank you, my dear friends, and that's good night.
Something
First I saw you standing there, eyes so wide beneath your head, coat worn blacker than the sun, shook your head like strummer strung, stood like soldiers in a line, heard the bells of midnight chime. We turned grey walls to fields of green. The only faith that we could scream was while you're still young, find your heart and find your song. Now where have you gone? No matter where you're going and no matter where you've been, you never needed anybody else's call now. I never met a one like you, never met a one like you, never met a one like you. Don't bring me down. Basta de cuentos, es tiempo de lo nuestro. Tengo tu alma bien metida dentro. Basta de cuentos, es tiempo de lo nuestro. Tengo tu alma bien metida dentro. While you're still young, find your heart, find your song. While you're still young, find your heart and find your song. While you're still young, find your heart and find your song. Now where have you gone? Oh, 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 oh. No matter where you're going and no matter where you've been, you never needed anybody else's call now. I never met a one like you, never met a one like you, never met a one like you. Don't bring me down. Oh, 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 oh,
Thank you. Good night.
This is a song that came upon me one night when the news that I've been telling me, but one more war and one more fight. And why I started, but then I thought about my friends. Then I wrote this declaration just in case the world end. Our guns, we shot them in the things we said. How we didn't need no bullets cause we relied on some words we said. Kill someone in argument, now with them with our brains. We kill ourselves a laughing at the funny things we say. And bones, we had them saved for special times. When the crew would call a shakedown, we break down a party landmine. Women act so sexy, they extort us with their looks. We blowing out the speakers, jumping around till the ground shook. And missiles, they were the roads we stepped along. Stitcher tripping across the side and starting missions at the break of dawn. Your next smile, so what direction shall we take? We're somewhere where it won't and when it's the route we always take it. Our weapons were our instruments, made from a timber and steel. We never yielded to conformity, but stood like kings in a time we never mind on the record wheel.
if you know the words. We never leave so like this. Our weapons were our instruments, made from a timber and steel. We never yielded to conformity, but stood like this. The time that it's lying on the force flying when the frisbee in the sky. Have a session while we're smoking, now we're feeling extra high. We sneak into a car back with the skaties on our back. We're flying on the level, sailing on the attack, now on the attack and battles. They happen in these dance halls. See, we'd rather fight with music, choosing one or the whole. Battle at these sectors and we battle at these gigs. We battle in our bedroom spaces, we love to the wind. Get our ride on through wherever we go. See, wherever we together and the stranger feel at home. In a way we are an army, but this time we not distract. No, instead we're doing simple things, we're loving, fighting, running. Please be a declaration written about my friends. Right into this song so they know we're not forgetting them. See, maybe if the world contained more people like these, then the news would not be telling me about all that warfare endlessly. And our weapons were our instruments, made from a timber and steel. We never yielded to conformity, but stood like gates. The time that's running, record will lie.
Ah!